Just wanted to make a quick video. This is my 97 FZR600, and my question is, where do I find a fairing kit for this thing? Because I've looked everywhere on the internet, and I've even ordered what I thought was going to be something, and it didn't work. I've even ordered, somebody recommended me getting some kind of YZF kind of thing. That didn't work either. Did not fit. So what I do have is the tank. I have this piece right here. I have both seats, and then I have two of the sides. So what I'm missing is the front fascia and the piece that goes right here. So if you guys know anything about where I can get the full fairing kit or replacement parts, that would be amazing.